Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the notification tone for WhatsApp groups on your PC. With the latest update, customizing your group notifications has become easier than ever. Let's dive right in and walk you through the simple steps to personalize your WhatsApp experience. First things first, open up your WhatsApp application on your PC. You'll see the familiar interface with your chats listed on the left side. Now, look for the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the window. This is your gateway to the settings menu, where all the magic happens. Click on that gear icon to open up the settings panel. You'll see a list of options, but we're interested in the Notifications tab. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can tweak all sorts of notification settings for your WhatsApp messages. Now scroll down the Notifications menu until you spot the Notification Tone section. Under this, you'll find separate options for individual messages and group chats. We're focusing on groups today, so look for the Groups drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Groups, and you'll be presented with a variety of tone options. Take your time to explore the different sounds available. You can preview each tone by clicking the play button next to it. This way, you can find the perfect alert that suits your style and won't be confused with your other notifications. Once you've found a tone you like, simply select it from the list. WhatsApp will automatically save your choice, so there's no need to look for a save button. And that's it. You've successfully changed the notification tone for all your WhatsApp groups on PC. Remember, you can always come back to this menu to change the tone again if you fancy a different sound in the future. This new update makes it super easy to customize your WhatsApp experience and stay on top of your group conversations without getting overwhelmed. Thanks for tuning in to our guide on changing WhatsApp group notification tones on PC. We hope this helps you tailor your messaging experience to your liking. Happy chatting!